Hello guys, thank you for stumbling on my video and on my channel. I hope this video is helpful to you. I'm gonna be showing you how to replace the battery in your Mercedes-Benz key fob. This particular key fob is for Mercedes-Benz C250 2014, but I think it's the same for this is the same key fob car. So you might be wondering why I'm starting this video with the cover already open. Hold on, let me zoom out a little bit. It's because I want to show you this latch. This latch is very important, and it's good for you to see it so you know what you're doing. This latch is what holds the cover, and those two grooves at the bottom holds the cover in place and keeps the battery from falling out. So it's important to see this groove, and that groove locks into that little hole right there. It goes into that hole. So that is basically how it is set up, and those two grooves at the bottom slides into that little hole at the bottom too. So that's how it goes in, just like that. So I'm gonna be showing you now. This is the beginning of the video. So I bought this. You could buy this battery from your local store or from Amazon. So I bought this particular battery from Amazon because I couldn't find it in my local store. So you could buy this battery, and you could do this yourself. It's very easy. It's not difficult. Just watch my video and you will see how easy it is. So I'm trying to take out this the packaging and get the battery out. Okay, you get the battery out, and this is a new battery. So bear in mind the type of battery it is. This is a cla250, cla250. So this is the same with the same with the old one, the one that is already in, the one that is dead, the one that is already inside. So bear with me with my car key. It failed a lot. So it fell in debt a lot because of my job. So as you can see, you slide that little black thing to the left and you pull out the key. So it's very easy. You slide it to the left and then you pull out the key. You slide that lever, then you pull out the key. Hold on, let me show you again. I want you to, get the hang of it and see how it's done properly. It's very easy. You probably know how to do it, but in case you don't know, this is how you get the key out. You slide that lever to the left and you just pull out the key. Just like that. It pops out on its own anyway. And then you use your key. That's all you need for this. You use that key to pop out the back. So I'm trying to show you to see if you see that groove in it. That latch, I don't know if you see it properly. But then, yeah, that's the reason why I showed you the beginning of the video. That little latch. So you just use this and push it in. Use your key and push that latch in, and it pops out just like that. Boom. Very easy. Boom. Just like that. It pops out, and you take out the cover and you replace the battery. I'll show you again. You push it in. Get your key. Just push it in. Boom. Pops out. Boom. Like that. Very easy. I'm going to do it a couple of times so you could see it. So it's easy. You don't need to take it to the mechanic. You could do this yourself. And you take out the cover, and then you see it's easy to slide in. Just slide it back in and you push it. Everything clips back. You slide it in and you just push it down. Everything clips back. It goes in one way. So, and then you put your key back in. Just like that. So easy. 5 minutes, you're done or less. Show you one more time. Pull your key out. Use your key, push the latch, boom, pops out, boom, just like that, boom. Take it out and you replace the battery. I'll put it back. So thank you for watching my video. It's a quick video. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. If you have any question, let me know. Thank you. Bye-bye.